Previous on Abdi Electricals, Tim A. Welcome everyone on board. Happy to see you back. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Road to 1K subscribers. Let's enjoy the video up to the end.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning wherever you are watching me. My name is Abdi Kenya or Abdi Electricals. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you are back here to view the next coming video, and just wait. Yeah, everything will be fantastic. How are you guys doing? Just doing my job as normally I do. You can see I'm just waiting for some students here so that I can take them to school. Yeah, and the day, we call it the day because right now it is very early in the morning. As you can see, the weather is very coldish. As you can see, I have someone back there. I cannot show her face because of privacy of her parents. Sometimes the parents bring a lot of troubles. They say just remove the child face there. So how are you guys doing? Yeah, very soon I'm going to do the job. Yeah, because now it is very early and the place is not open. I'm feeling so tired. Yesterday I did a lot of work. Yeah, but today we are going to finish and we will see the results on this video. So make sure subscribe, like and share for more videos of Abdi Kenya. Yeah, I have two phones nowadays. I use this one to record and this one to call my customers and etc. So nowadays I have been prepared to do content and other things. So make sure subscribe, like and share. Yeah, I'm just calling one of the students here to come out so that we can go to the school. Guys, the weather is not weathering. Yeah. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. Haya, wewe umelala sana eh? Mbona umelala hivyo eh? Pole pole. Okay, tunasema aje? Hii masaa yote unalala? Wewe uko na mchezo wewe. Hii masaa yote unalala? Na venye tumekungojea hapa. So tunangojea mama nani?
Nikwambie ukweli. Nimeamshwa nione katuni.
Umeamshwa uone katuni? Na nani? Baba amekuamsha uone katuni? Na umeona katuni? Which cartoon? Katuni gani? Na ulikuwa unaitwa usikii kwa nini? Wewe ulikuwa umelala. Wewe ulikuwa umelala. What's up guys? Good morning. How you doing guys? Yeah, welcome back again. My name is Abdi Kenya or Abdi Electricals, and we are heading to the site. As you can see here, every place we have water. I'm just wondering how these people live here because there is a lot of mud and water. So how are you guys doing? We are heading to the site. Yesterday I did not finish my video, so today this is part 2 or the continuing video. So let us go there and do some great work. As you can see, I can pass here. This place is very watery and wet, so you need to be careful, because now as you can see, my bike is here. We are going to do some work that we have left, the remaining one. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Road to 1K subscribers. Yeah. Yes, as you can see here, we got some mechanical problems. That is always, you have to be prepared when you have a car or a motorbike. So the clutch was not clutching, so I bought the new clutch so that I can replace the original one, because this one was there even after the bike was new. That was the old clutch, so we need to replace with this one. And as you can see, it is just like $1. Yeah, $1 you have this one. So it's time to change it, because the bike was like not going, because the clutch was not kizungu bana. So the clutch was the problem. So I told the fundi to make his work there. Even if I am a fundi, there is a part that I cannot do. So as you can see, we are discussing how that clutch can be going inside there, because now the original one is not like the new one, so we have to modify it. Yeah, as you can see, now the bike is very dirty. I said that after putting that clutch I will go and wash it, but I was so busy. Even right now I have not washed my bike. As you can see how we are replacing the clutch, very new, brand new. As you can see, it has a seal, and the fundi is doing his work pole pole. Yeah, everything is new. I like my bike when it is healthy. I like it when it is healthy. Now guys, our videos continue from here. As you can see, this is the part that I did yesterday, and today I have come to finish the job. As you can see, we have double socket and the main there. That is my toolbox, and these are the lights, the LED lights. As you can see, they are very powerful, 10 watts. So as you can see, I'm just starting right now to install the light, because the wiring and the cable I did it yesterday. So today is just installing the lights and the outside lights, and then connect it to the main, so that the room can got some electricity, brightening and shining. Yeah, we are changing Africa, guys. Always, whatever you are doing that is changing somewhere, you are changing Africa. Yeah, appreciate that, because we are changing the nature. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing pole pole, no rush. I always do my work pole pole, slowly, so that I can do great job and make my clients very happy, because I don't like to repeat work, because when you do it shagala bagala, you will be called there, or your job, you will not find another job, because now you have done it very wrong. Even if the money is not enough, you have to do the job the right way, because most of us, we always say that the money is small, you do shagala bagala and then you go, but you have created a problem in future. Maybe after 2 to 3 years, that electricity will bring some shorts. Just do it correctly, have your time. Even if you are busy, just run away. When you are free, come and finish your job. As you can see, this is my main. I was trying to connect right now. As you can see, I'm trying to connect. That is an earth wire. other wire does not have any electricity. So the red cables that you see there, they have electricity. As you can see, I have used a lot of tape, yeah, to this room, because I tried it and there was a short. So I was removing salt tape and making it back again. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, I've finished and closed the main. As you can see, I've done a very good job. The house is for the mabatis. The mabatis are iron. As you can see, I've done very well, and I have insulated or put a lot of tapes so that any shock that can touch that mabati, it cannot be possible. Now my lights, as you can see, I'm measuring the iron sheet so that I can feel if it is safety for other people. So now it is testing time. Now here I got some short because there was a earth cable that I used as a return. So that earth cable plus neutral, that is a faulty. So I searched it and I found it somewhere where I have put a repair or a joint. That was the place that made the lights not go lighting. As you can see, the breaker has tripped. Right now I have fixed the problem. As you can see, the light is lighting and everything is fantastic. As you can see, Musa is there laughing. Hey Abdi, uko sawa? As you can see, everything is shining. The lights are very shining because are 20 watts. The new LED lights that you will find in market right now, because the others have expired. These are the new ones and they are very, very bright. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is the first one that I have installed. Yeah, right now it is very well. As you can see, the main and the double socket is working very well. So the work that was remaining was the security lights, and I was preparing myself to do that. And thank you guys, the video ends here.